Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Sophie here. I hope you guys are super well and staying safe. I have some really exciting news. I have just become a brand ambassador for Semilac. Now, if you have not heard of Semilac before, they are a leading nail brand in high quality products. You guys know I'm obsessed with nails, obsessed with nail art, obsessed with having my nails done, obsessed with doing it at home. Like, I find it so therapeutic, but it's also more affordable doing your nails at home, and I just love it. And I'm so stoked to be a brand ambassador for Semilac for 2022 and to share the brand with you guys. They've got some incredible products, and I'm going to be sharing lots of step-by-steps with you, creative ideas. If there's anything that you really want to see with like nails or nail art, then comment below, let me know. Semilac and I are going to work together to really kind of educate you guys and just share my kind of experience of doing nails at home with you guys and any like tips and tricks that you guys want to learn. So yeah, let us know what you want to see in the comments below. But to start with, we thought we'd kind of introduce you to the brand. They have an amazing starter kit that's really going to help you guys start doing your nails from home. It's going to set you up with all of the essentials. You're going to get a UV LED lamp. You're going to get 3 of their UV gel polishes. And yeah, okay, I'm going to show you the kit. It's incredible, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step of how to use it in today's video. So guys, I have the Semilac Love Me starter set right here. I'm so excited to unbox it and show you guys. This one in particular, you get to choose 3 of your own gel polish colours. So they actually have a selection on their website that you can pick from, or if you really want to customise your kit, you can actually email them and pick the 3 colours that you want to have in your starter set, which is amazing. So, okay, let's unbox it. Okay, I'm going to try and open this without dropping it. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open your kit. You can see at the top we have a UV LED lamp, and then we've got a little leaflet here. So I'm going to start getting everything out of the box to show you what is included. You've got some amazing bits in here, like literally all of the essentials that you will need to really get started at doing at home gel nails. So I'm going to show you the little leaflet first. When you open it up, it literally tells you the basics, the application and the removal. So a step-by-step of how to use your starter set, which is incredible, super easy to follow, and there's a step-by-step guide there. And then as you saw in the box, you've got a UV LED lamp. The power is 2448 watts. It's got a double power mode. There's 3 times on here, so 5 seconds, 30 and 60 for curing your nails. It's perfect for pedicures and manicures. There's a dual LED technology, infrared sensor, energy efficient LEDs and a cooling fan. So honestly, an amazing lamp for curing all of your gel polish. We've then got a mini buffer, and we have a straight nail file, and that is 100 over 180. We've got some wooden sticks. We've got acetone and a nail cleaner. Next guys, we have our gel polishes. We've got a base coat. We've got the no wipe top coat, which I love a no wipe top coat. It comes in so handy. It's just super quick once you finish your nails. We've got a mini matte top coat. And then we've got 3 shades. So I've gone for Sexy Red, Sweet Pink and Intense Red. And then finally in the starter set, you will find 250 pieces of cotton pads. How incredible is that, guys? Literally so many amazing high quality products in that starter set. So I have popped the RRP of the starter set on the screen. However, I do have a discount code. So if you are interested in buying that starter kit and starting some at-home gel nails for yourself, then make sure when you check out you use my discount code. Okay, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step on how to use this starter set, and I'm going to be using those 3 shades. And yeah, let's get started. So guys, starting with bare nails, I'm taking the wooden sticks and I'm going to be using the slanted end and pushing down my cuticle on every nail. Then taking the pointy end, I'm just going to be cleaning the underneath of my nails, making sure, yeah, my nails are all clean and prepped, ready to go. Next up, I'm going to be taking the straight nail file and just shaping my nails. I mean, my nails are quite short, so I'm just going for a rounded look, making sure they're all even. Next up, I'm going to take the mini buffer and I'm just going to buff the tops of my nails until they've kind of got like a bit of a matte finish to them. Then I'm going to take the nail cleaner with one of the cotton pads. I'm going to soak it and then I'm just going to clean each nail, making sure all the dust is free off all of the nails and the nail is clean and dry and ready to go. Now it's time to get on the gel polish. So I'm taking the Semilac Extend Base and I'm going to be applying a thin coat over the whole nail, remembering to secure the free edge of the nail, which is right at the tip of your nail. So essentially where your nail ends. Once I have applied that to each nail, I'm going to cure it. Now, to know how long to cure it for, Semilac have all of the details on their website, just in case you've got a different lamp to the one that I have. But on their website, it states to cure this particular base coat for 60 seconds. So I've done one hand, now I'm going to do the other. And yeah, the base coat is on and I'm ready to start with the colours. So the colours I'm using are Intense Red, Sexy Red and Sweet Pink. So I'm starting off with the shade Sweet Pink and I'm going to be applying a thin layer of my chosen gel polish colour and making sure I cap the end of my nail. I actually really love the brushes on these gel polishes. It really makes it easy to apply. So once I've applied that first thin layer, I am going to cure. So I want to use all three colours. So for the Sweet Pink, I'm just applying it to my pinky, my middle and my thumb fingers. Once you've done your first coat, you're going to apply another layer of gel polish and that's just going to enhance the depth of the colour. And the UV LED lamp that comes in the starter set is super handy because it's got different time settings. So you can press the time setting that you need and the light is going to go off when it has completed curing. So then once you've applied that thin layer, you're then going to cure again. And you're going to keep doing this until you're happy with the coverage of your gel polish colour. Sweet Pink is all done. Now on to Sexy Red and Intense Red. So I'm going to apply Sexy Red first on my ring finger. If you make any mistakes or put a little bit of the gel polish on your skin, then the wooden sticks come in handy. You can kind of go around the edge of your nail, cleaning up the edges, just like I've done here. So yeah, once I'm happy with that, I then cure. Now going in with Intense Red. Again, made a few mistakes, so just cleaning up the edges with a wooden stick and then curing. And I'm probably going to do about 2 coats of this colour just because the colour is actually really pigmented and intense. And yeah, that's all it really needs. Amazing. So colour is on my fingers and now we are ready for a top coat. So I'm using the Semilac Top No Wipe. I just love a no wipe top coat. It means I can literally pop it on and then I'm ready to go straight away. So again, you're going to want to apply a thin layer and you're going to want to make sure you're capping that free edge. You're going to want to apply the top coat to each nail before curing. And again, you can find the cure time for which particular top coat you're using on Semilac's website. Once you've finished, pop on some hand cream, some cuticle oil, and you are ready to go with your fresh Semilac Gel Mani. And guys, Semilac's gel polishes are chip-free, pill-free, and they last up to 21 days, which is incredible. So guys, these are my finished nails. What do we think? I'm literally obsessed with the colour palette. Just matches my whole look today. So freaking cute. So that was the Semilac Love Me starter set. Have to say, so impressed. Like literally it gives you all of the essentials, the lamp, the polishes, like everything you need to do an at-home gel manicure is in that set. And I just love the fact that you can customise those 3 shades. I'm literally obsessed with this colour combo, but you could literally pick any colours and they've got so many options on their website, so you can pick the ones that they've already got in sets, or you can email and customize your own, which is incredible. And yeah, literally you could have so much fun with this starter set. And for the price that it's at, you will literally be saving so much money doing your own at-home gel manicure than going to a salon. And also as well, like, you can just fit it in within your schedule. Like, I know one huge reason I love doing nails at home is that I just don't really have the time in my schedule to go to a salon every kind of 2 weeks. So it's nice that I can kind of just, yeah, be at home. I can do it whilst I'm watching TV. I can do it whilst I'm listening to a podcast. And yeah, and I just love the outcome. And also, guys, yes, I've been doing my own nails at home for quite a while, but I'm not fully experienced. I'm not trained at all. Like, I've just kind of, yeah, taught myself, and the more I've done it, the better I've got at doing my nails, but they look so professional. I'm so impressed. Guys, discount code is on the screen if you want to get your hands on the Semilac Love Me starter set. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you want to see. So, do you want to see more nail art? Do you want to see maybe removing a gel manicure? Maybe that would be quite informative. What do you want to see? Do you want to see summer nails, festival nails? Do you want to see like nails for occasions, or specific like nail art tutorial that I can kind of like assist you with and give you like tips and tricks? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm just so excited to be working with Semilac this year. And yes, stay tuned for more nail content. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.